Hey everyone, here is how to get benefit from Notion while paying the least amount possible. So for starters, I highly recommend you to check out Notion for startups. If you haven't used that, it will allow you to use Notion for free with all the pro benefits for 6 months. After that, you know I want I highly recommend you to add your team members and also external members as a guests. Even when you subscribe to the Notion for Startups plan, I recommend you to add them as guests instead of regular users because regular members on Notion, each one of them are have a subscription cost. So let me show you my method for making it happen. Normally guests cannot access all of your pages, but there is a workaround for that, and I will show you how to do it. So as you can see, I have 4 team spaces on my Notion workspace here. So this is my personal. These were some side projects. I want to show you my main project for my company because it has the most number of pages. So with when you give someone a guest access, you can only give access to a page. So for example, you cannot add someone to a team space. You can only add members, you cannot add the guests. But what you can do is you can add a team space home right under the team space and add all the pages you have under this team space. So for example, what you can do is add these toggles. For example, I added this social media growth toggle, so toggle list item. So it wouldn't look like too crowded. So you can split into spaces like this, add important pages, and then all other, something like that. And you can even add by these toggled sections. So yeah, these are my pages, as you can see, and these are the mostly active ones. So what you do is, once you add everything under there, so let's say if you have let's say I have a private one. Let's say this is a private one and I want to add this to my team space. What you need to do is just add it here. Yeah, that's it. Right now, if you have given access to this team space home, your guests will have access to this new page you have added under here. So you don't need to add access for your guests for all single pages. So yeah, it's very simple. So yeah, let me move that to my private. I don't know what was there. Let me show you how to give access. So you get to this team space home, whether from the left sidebar, you can share it. Let me see. Oh, okay, it's not here. Actually, it's here. It's not in the sidebar. So as you can see, I shared this page a couple of people. So as you can see, there are 3 different people under this. So these 3 people will be able to see all these pages, and when I add a new page, they will be able to see it as well. But for example, I can also do like I want to add only to this one under team space home. Then yeah, I can just do it. As you can see, there are more people here. Yeah, these are the people I have worked on this project previously and currently. So actually, yeah, it's very simple. You just create a team space home under your team space and don't add any pages directly under the team space. Add anything to team space home. And if you want to add some private ones, you can then add them out of the team space home, or add it to another team space, and only add those people as guests. So for example, Intel was a early stage startup I co-founded. For example, as you can see, we have an Intel management, and on this management home, I only have my co-founder here. There's no other people here. But for example, under Intel team, as you can see, I have added different ones. For example, people added to this Intel engineering home won't see Intel team home if they are not added. So yeah, this is as easy as it is. So instead of using workspaces, you will treat like main pages under workspaces as places where you add people, because as I said, you cannot add a guest directly to a team space. So yeah, it's pretty easy. And if you have any questions on this, yeah, you can always reach out to me. Thank you.